Welcome to Exploration Hub, your ultimate destination for captivating adventures and insightful explorations. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and unveil the best 8 artificial intelligence technologies in the world. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking innovations and game-changing applications that have propelled artificial intelligence to new heights. If you're as intrigued by the potential of AI as we are, don't forget to subscribe to Exploration Hub, share this video with fellow explorers, and hit that like button to support our content. Let's embark on this extraordinary journey into the realm of artificial intelligence. Number 1. OpenAI's GPT-3. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is one of the largest and most powerful language models created to date, consisting of 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 is based on the Transformer architecture, which allows it to capture complex patterns in language data. The model is trained in an unsupervised manner on a massive amount of text from the internet, allowing it to learn grammar, facts, reasoning abilities, and even some form of common sense. GPT-3 excels at tasks such as language translation, question answering, text completion, and generating coherent and contextually appropriate text. The model has been used for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, code generation, and more. Its impressive ability to generate human-like text has garnered attention and sparked discussions about ethical considerations and potential misuse. Number 2. Google's AlphaGo. AlphaGo is an AI program developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google. It gained significant attention in 2016 when it defeated the world champion Go player, Li Sechol, in a 5-game match. Go is an ancient Chinese board game known for its complexity, strategic depth, and vast search space, making it a challenging problem for AI to solve. AlphaGo combines advanced techniques such as deep neural networks, Monte Carlo tree search, and reinforcement learning to master the game. It initially learned from a large dataset of human expert moves and then improved its play through self-play and reinforcement learning. AlphaGo's victory over a top human player was considered a major milestone in AI and showcased the potential of machine learning in complex games. Following the success of AlphaGo, DeepMind developed subsequent versions, including AlphaGo Zero and AlphaZero, which achieved even higher levels of performance in various games, including Go, chess, and shogi. These versions were trained entirely through self-play, without any human expert data, demonstrating the power of reinforcement learning algorithms. Number 3. IBM's Watson. Watson is a cognitive computing system developed by IBM. It gained international recognition when it competed on the Jeopardy! Game show in 2011 and defeated former champions Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings. Jeopardy! Is a quiz game that requires understanding natural language clues, retrieving information from a vast knowledge base, and generating accurate responses within seconds. Watson's architecture combines various AI techniques, including natural language processing, information retrieval, machine learning, and knowledge representation. It analyzes large volumes of structured and unstructured data, such as books, articles, and databases, to provide accurate answers to questions posed in natural language. Watson has found applications in several industries, including healthcare, finance, customer service, and more. In healthcare, for example, Watson has been used to assist with diagnosis and treatment recommendations by analyzing patient data, medical literature, and clinical guidelines. Number 4. Tesla's Autopilot. Tesla's Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, designed to enable autonomous driving capabilities in Tesla vehicles. Autopilot combines various sensors, including cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and a powerful onboard computer, to perceive the vehicle's surroundings and make driving decisions. The system uses computer vision algorithms and deep learning techniques to analyze the camera feed and detect objects such as vehicles, pedestrians, and traffic signs. It also utilizes radar and ultrasonic sensors for distance estimation and object detection. Autopilot's AI algorithms process the sensor data in real time, making decisions such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, lane changing, and parking. The system is designed to assist the driver and enhance safety but still requires the driver's attention and intervention when necessary. Tesla continues to develop and improve Autopilot with regular software updates, introducing new features and enhancing the system's capabilities. The ultimate goal is to achieve full self-driving capabilities, although regulations and safety considerations are important factors in the deployment of autonomous vehicles. Number 5. Microsoft's Cortana. Cortana is a virtual assistant developed by Microsoft, available on various platforms such as Windows, Microsoft 365, and mobile devices. It combines natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine learning to provide personalized assistance to users. Cortana can perform a wide range of tasks, including setting reminders, scheduling events, answering questions, providing recommendations, and controlling devices and applications. It can understand and respond to voice commands, allowing users to interact with their devices in a more natural and conversational manner. The underlying AI algorithms of Cortana analyze and interpret user input, extract relevant information, and generate appropriate responses. Machine learning techniques are employed to improve Cortana's understanding over time, allowing it to adapt to users' preferences and provide more accurate and personalized assistance. Cortana also integrates with other Microsoft services, such as Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Edge, to provide seamless experiences across different applications and devices. Number 6. Amazon's Alexa. Alexa is Amazon's voice-controlled virtual assistant that powers devices such as the Echo smart speakers. Alexa utilizes a combination of automatic speech recognition, ASR, natural language understanding, NLU, and machine learning algorithms to interpret and respond to user commands and queries. When a user interacts with Alexa by speaking a command or question, the audio input is processed by ASR algorithms that convert speech to text. The text is then analyzed using NLU techniques to determine the user's intent and extract relevant information. Alexa can perform various tasks and skills, including playing music, providing weather updates, setting reminders, answering general knowledge questions, controlling smart home devices, ordering products from Amazon, and more. It continuously learns and improves its capabilities through user interactions and feedback. Developers can create new skills for Alexa using the Alexa Skills Kit, ASK, allowing third-party integrations and expanding Alexa's functionality. Alexa's underlying AI algorithms and machine learning models are hosted in the cloud, enabling rapid updates and improvements without the need for device upgrades. Number 7. DeepMind's AlphaFold. AlphaFold is an AI system developed by DeepMind that focuses on the problem of protein folding prediction. Protein folding refers to the process by which a protein adopts its three-dimensional structure, which is crucial for understanding its function and interactions with other molecules. AlphaFold aims to predict the 3D structure of proteins from their amino acid sequences. This is a challenging problem because the number of possible protein conformations is astronomically large, making it computationally infeasible to exhaustively search the space. AlphaFold leverages deep learning techniques and a novel architecture based on attention mechanisms to model the complex relationships between amino acids and predict their spatial arrangements. It was trained on a vast amount of protein structure data from public databases. In the 2020 CASP, Critical Assessment of Structure Prediction, competition, AlphaFold made a significant breakthrough by achieving unprecedented accuracy in predicting protein structures. Its predictions were comparable to experimental results obtained through methods such as X-ray crystallography and cryo-electron microscopy. AlphaFold's success has the potential to revolutionize structural biology, drug discovery, and our understanding of diseases. Number 8. Facebook's DeepFace. DeepFace is an AI system developed by Facebook's AI Research (FAIR) team. It is a facial recognition system that aims to identify and match faces in images and videos with high accuracy. DeepFace uses deep convolutional neural networks, CNNs, to extract facial features and create compact representations, or embeddings, of individual faces. The embeddings are then compared to determine if two faces belong to the same person. During training, DeepFace was trained on a large dataset of labeled faces, allowing the neural network to learn discriminative facial features that are invariant to variations in pose, lighting conditions, and facial expressions. DeepFace achieved remarkable performance on face recognition benchmarks, surpassing previous state-of-the-art approaches. It has been applied in various areas, including security and surveillance, photo tagging, facial analysis, and augmented reality applications. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the best 08 artificial intelligence technologies in the world. At Exploration Hub, we're committed to bringing you thought-provoking content that uncovers the wonders of our world. If you found this video insightful and captivating, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, share it with other curious minds, and show your appreciation by hitting that like button. Your support fuels our exploration and helps us reach more adventurers like you. Stay connected, stay curious, and keep exploring with Exploration Hub. See you in our next adventure.